Hi everybody, this is Marcus Cox on the mountain. We're sitting up here today out by the pool with this amazing water bottle. This little guy, this is my wife's stainless steel, and so I'm not going to use this, don't worry honey. So this is really nice. This is our favorite, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a demonstration with the plastic one because I can squirt it out. And I'm going to put some chlorinated water from the pool into the bottle, and today we're going to demonstrate how it removes chlorine 100% so you can drink out of the pool, which gives you an extra 27,000 gallons of drinking water. So I'm going to get the test kit. This is a standard pool test kit. Everybody uses that to see how much chlorine you got in your pool. You'll see that we have a lot of chlorine in ours. And if you come over here, you drop 5 of these into there and it'll show you how much chlorine you have. You can see we have a little too much chlorine right now. This is pretty standard if you're in a public swimming pool. It's probably darker than that, but you can see where the ideal is right here at 2. And we got a little more chlorine than we should. So the pool is very chlorinated right now. So now we're going to put a little pool water in here and show you how it looks. This is the ARIIX filter. This is a very elaborate filter. It's not your normal filter. It has 3 stages to it. Each filter has a different function. One of them filters bacteria and viruses. The other takes chemicals out. And there's a third filter in here that
Parasites
too, that removes metals, things like that. There's a lot of metal in our water, believe it or not. There's a lot of mercury in the water out there. That's why the fish have mercury. Okay, so now we have a very full bottle of pool water. Just open this little cap here. There's a little flip up thing that you can use that to suck with, which is nice. This is totally fresh water coming through the filter. It's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some in here. Actually, I need to rinse this a bit.
Try to get it.
So I'm going to fill this up and rinse it a bit first though, because it's got that heavily chlorinated water in it, or it did. Okay, to get the chlorine residue out. Now we're going to fill it up. I've done this a lot, by the way. And now we're going to put in the chlorine fine, and as you saw before, it turned all yellow. Look at that. Crystal clear.
Let me zoom on that. Yep.
No yellow at all.
Took all the chlorine out.
Took all the chlorine out.
Wow.
And it also increases the alkalinity of the water. And the water tastes fantastic. We were out today going to the local swamp and some other things, drinking water, drank water from a culvert. This is truly remarkable. The chlorine, if you do this test with your tap water, you'll see there's a lot of chlorine in there. People are allowed, the public utility companies are allowed to put in more chlorine than your pool. That's a regulation. They don't do that, probably, hopefully not. But if you check your water at home and you're drinking chlorine, you might want to think about getting one of these bottles, because chlorine is very damaging to your nervous system. It eliminates a lot of the good bacteria that you have in your body.
Kills it, huh?
Yeah, it kills that. So it's a great disinfectant. But so anyway, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and these bottles are really wonderful.